Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. Hope you are all well. Remember, there is a giveaway on my channel, so don't miss it. Now let's get into the fun part. Today, we are unboxing and reviewing the new 2024 Pixar cars, Ghost Tractor. As the Ghost Tractor is a special character from the Cars on the Road episode Lights Out. It's a ghostly tractor that brings magic to the Disney Cars world. Before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. Looking at its design, it's pretty close to how it appears in the series. The image on the card matches well, but it's missing the chihuahua on the sides. The engine design could use more detail. Right now, it's just a zigzag pattern, but this design does give the toy car a lively feel. Producing the Disney car toys is complex. Some characters, such as Ghost Tractor, which are rare because they aren't produced in large quantities. This makes them seem like a hidden gem in stores. It has a large wheel that's really bit tricky to maneuver and needs a gentle push to roll. But for me, it doubles as a fun as a fidget toys. Give it a whirl and see if it spins away your boredom, or let it join the ranks of your collection on the shelf. Now imagine if it was a white, like a classic ghost, instead of green. Just a thought, but who knows, maybe the designer had a thing of green ghost. All in all, this adorable little tractor is ready to zoom into my Disney Pixar car collection. As this is an unique and mysterious character in the Disney car universe, its rarity makes it valuable and desirable for collectors. So if you spot a ghost tractor in a store, count yourself a lucky. It's a rare gem in the Disney cars world. And this tractor ghost is a worthy addition to any Disney Pixar cars collection. For more exciting reviews, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.